How's it going, guys? This is Brad and John with Best Price Nutrition. Check out our website, BestPriceNutrition.com. Be sure to sign up for the email list so that you know when all of the newest products are coming out, all of the giveaways, the sales, Black Friday deals, all that good stuff. Today, we are going to be trying out a new product that we don't have in yet, but within the next week or so we will. It's a beetroot product. Have you ever used beetroot stuff before?
So you know what? I don't think I've ever used like a dedicated beetroot product, but I was noticing, beets and beetroot are becoming a really popular kind of fitness food and or supplement. And I did notice we actually carry a lot of products that have beetroot as an ingredient. I know Insane Veins, which is Insane Labs Pre, has some of that. But yeah, it's packed with what? Nitrates, boosts blood flow, boosts oxygen. Really kind of helps give you a nice pump. That's like its call to fame, I guess, is it's going to be a nitric oxide booster because of all the nitrates in there. So that's why you'll usually see it in a lot of pre-workout type things, or I believe even a lot of the like erection pills have it in there. I think that's like a big part of it. Have you tried the actual food?
Beets?
Yeah.
I don't know, maybe once in my life.
You know that salad bars I always have them? And it's not my favorite tasting thing, but it's not bad.
I've heard it's not fantastic.
Some people love them.
Yeah, some people do. My ex liked them, but she was also disgusting.
I know that a lot of people put them in smoothies and things like that as well.
Yeah, I could see that. Kind of like blend it all up.
A lot of like ultra runners and things like that use them as snacks. So.
And the brand is Aqua Ree. I'm sorry, Quinn. I don't know. It's a really cool box. Very unique. It'll definitely stand out on a shelf. It's a nice looking tub. Like John said, it almost looks like a cosmetic tub of something.
It's cool that we got this in. I know more, here at our supplement warehouse store, more and more customers are coming in asking for beetroot powders or beet juice powders. And I actually got a couple friends that are taking, various beet pre-workouts. So
doesn't it kind of smell like chocolate?
Chocolate and beets. And like you said, you can actually see the honey granules in there.
Yeah. Here, while you're mixing, I think it's just one. While you're mixing up, I'm going to see if I can. Yeah, you could see, just so people know what that stuff is, there are honey granules, beetroot powder, elderberry, zinc, silicon. It's pretty basic.
Your close-up really threw off our focus there, Brad.
Make your face seen, it'll catch it.
Is this a nice deep red color, huh?
Yeah, it actually will stain the shit out of your fingers. All right, so one scoop is 30 calories, 0 fat, 6 carbs, 0 protein. There's a little bit of zinc, B12, C, potassium, iron, calcium, D. Wow. To me, that smells chocolatey.
Yeah, it smells like beets to me.
Right, it doesn't smell like chocolate.
You can already see it's like staying in the side of the glass here.
And beetroot beetroot powder is actually what they use for red dye and a lot of stuff as opposed, I don't know what beets taste like.
This is like beet juice.
That's beets.
Yeah.
It's very mild. It's not like overwhelming in any way.
I'm not a big fan of beets. It's good for you. I could drink it.
I could drink this more than I could drink a lot of the greens powders.
Yeah.
I think it's doable. I wouldn't want to just sip on this just to sip on it, but knowing the benefits that it gives, it's more than good.
This brings me back to childhood and my mom making me eat beets. I think probably my grandma making me eat beets.
I don't mind this at all.
No?
No. For a non-sweet drink, I'm a fat boy, so I really only like sweet stuff. This is, for a non-sweet drink, I think this is really good. Your silence says it all.
You know what? This is beet juice.
I wouldn't. But I would think that beets would just have a stronger flavor. It's kind of almost like a.
Like you said, we've talked about this a lot recently. A lot of people are looking for more natural products, and this is as natural as it gets. What do you got? Honey granules, beet powder, elderberry, zinc. And that's about it.
Yeah. It is very short on the ingredients. You are definitely getting what you pay for. It's purely beet powder, which is what you want. And also, a little side note, a little tip for you. If you have ED, you would take beetroot powder and something called pycnogenol. You take those two things every day. You could also do arginine and pycnogenol. Any type of nitric oxide boosting thing and pycnogenol at like 50 milligrams a day after like 30 days, I think 30 to 50% of people see improvements.
Well, in that case.
Where's the pycnogenol? Yeah. So
that's not bad. Just down it as a pre-workout and
yeah, or even mixing it in your pre-workout.
Yeah.
I genuinely think, because this stuff is flavored like hydraulic. All of like if you want to do non-stim, it's all flavored so strong that if you were to throw a scoop in there, I don't think you would notice it.
Not at all.
Yeah, it's so mild. Yeah. So Aqua Ree, it's called Upbeet Epiphany. It's beetroot and elderberry. It's got like some immune stuff in there too. So it's a great all-around product. I think that everyone would benefit from this. Another thing that you may benefit from this, I don't know if that made sense. I've noticed this a lot with usually smaller girls or different guys if you're anemic, whatever. A lot of people who have poor circulation, their hands are always cold, their feet are always cold. If you're always cold, a lot of the times that's a blood flow issue. Try this for a month and see if it makes a difference, especially when it's getting colder outside. I think it's like 30 degrees, something like that today. Try taking some beetroot, get more blood flow, get more oxygen to where it needs to go. It may help you not feel so cold all the time. Yeah.
So this one's going to be coming in the near future?
Yeah, we will have it in before Thanksgiving.
Okay,
for sure.
So if you're not seeing this on the website at the time of this video being posted, it will be in shortly after.
Yeah.
And once it comes in, we'll put a link to the product down in the description box below.
Yeah. All right. Thanks, guys.
Later, guys.
Yeah, honestly, I don't mind that at all.